It's 9:47 p.m. You're in the back seat of an Uber in Cancun, scrolling through photos from the beach. The driver takes a turn you don't recognize. You look up. The road is dark. No streetlights, no signs. Before you can say anything, the car stops. Two SUVs block the road ahead, headlights off. Four men step out, ski masks, AR-15S. One of them taps your window with the barrel of his rifle and says one word, "Get out." The door is yanked open. Hands grab your collar, drag you out, and slam you face first onto hot asphalt. You smell gasoline and dust. Someone zip ties your wrists behind your back, so tight the plastic bites into your skin. A strip of duct tape goes over your eyes, then another strip over your mouth. You're lifted, half thrown, into the bed of a pickup truck. The engine roars. You're moving. You try to count the turns. Left, right, right again. The truck goes over a speed bump, hard, and your skull bounces off the metal. You hear corridos playing from the cab. After about 20 minutes, the truck stops. Doors slam. You're dragged out and walked, barefoot now they've taken your shoes. Across gravel, then dirt, then a concrete step. A door creaks open. The air changes. It's damp, stale, and it smells like mildew and sweat and something metallic you don't want to identify. You're pushed down onto a plastic chair. Someone pulls the tape off one eye, just one, and you seal a bare concrete room. No windows. A single fluorescent tube buzzing overhead, one end flickering. Stains on the floor. Welcome to a cartel safe house. What they call a casa de seguridad. And right now, you are the most valuable thing inside it. A man walks in. No mask this time. That's a bad sign. When they let you see their faces, it means one of two things. They're confident you'll pay and stay quiet. Or they've already decided you're not walking out. He sits across from you on a white bucket, pulls out your phone, and holds it up. Password. You give it. He scrolls through your contacts, your photos, your banking apps. He's looking for one thing. How much you're worth. He finds your mother's contact, labeled Mom. He opens WhatsApp and hits the video call button. When she picks up, confused, half asleep, it's 2 a.m. her time. He turns the camera toward you. Your one uncovered eye, the tape, the zip ties, the concrete wall behind you. He tells her in broken English, "We have your son, $50,000. You have 72 hours. Then he hangs up. From this point, a clock starts ticking. Now you wait. And waiting, you'll discover, is the real torture. They move you to a back room. No chair, just a thin mattress that smells like it's been soaked and dried 100 times. The zip ties are swapped for a chain padlocked around your ankle, long enough to reach a bucket in the corner. That bucket is your toilet. You hear a TV playing telenovelas next door. Footsteps, bottles clinking, laughter. Your captors are living their normal life 10 feet away. One of them brings food once a day. A cold tortilla, a scoop of canned beans, a plastic bottle of water that may or may not be sealed. The second night, an argument erupts in Spanish. Loud, someone slamming a table. Silence, then footsteps toward your door. The lock clicks. A younger man walks in, fidgeting with a pistol. He stares at you for 10 seconds, says nothing, and leaves. You don't sleep. Meanwhile, your mother has wired $15,000, everything she could pull together in 36 hours. The cartel negotiator, yes, they have a person whose entire job is this, says it's not enough. The price is now $80,000. They always raise it after the first payment. They call it La Segunda Vuelta, the second round. On the third morning, everything accelerates. Shouting, men running, someone grabs your chain and drags you down a hallway, concrete scraping your forearms, and throws you into a vehicle that smells like livestock. You're being moved mid-negotiation, which means police are closing in, a rival cartel is encroaching, or someone inside got cold feet. An hour on dirt roads. The suspension is shot. Every pothole shakes your teeth. When you're pulled out, you feel sun on your neck for the first time in 3 days. You're in the countryside now. Maybe Tamaulipas, maybe Sinaloa. Places where the cartel doesn't just operate, they are the government. At the new location, tin roof, dogs barking outside, an older man with a gold chain and a dual SIM phone calls your mother directly. Polite, almost businesslike. Senora, we are reasonable people. 40,000, final offer. Western Union, OXXO, or crypto. 12 hours. He's not bluffing. They've spent money on guards, vehicles, gas, bribes, and 2 location changes. They need to close. Your mother, coached by an FBI victim specialist, wires $38,000. Savings, a rushed second mortgage, money pooled from relatives. The cartel confirms receipt within minutes. 4 hours later, the gold chain man tosses you cheap sandals and a blindfold. Put them on. You're placed in a sedan. 2 men on either side. Nobody speaks. 45 minutes later, the blindfold is pulled off. You're on the shoulder of a 2-lane highway. In the distance, a Pemex gas station. Walk that way. Don't turn around. Don't come back to Mexico. They push you out. The car pulls away. You're standing on gravel in cheap sandals. No wallet, no phone, no passport. The air smells like mesquite and diesel. Your legs shake, not from weakness, but from the sheer neurological overload of sudden freedom. Inside the gas station, the woman behind the counter stares, wrists raw from zip ties, 3 days of beard, eyes that haven't seen normal light in 72 hours. She lets you use the phone. You call your mother. She picks up on the first ring. Neither of you can speak for 15 seconds. You're alive, but the person who stepped into that Uber 3 nights ago is not the person standing in this gas station. This story is not fiction. It's a composite built from real survivor testimonies, FBI case files, and security firm intelligence. In Mexico, over 130,000 people are currently classified as disappeared, a number that surged 200% in the last decade. An estimated 300 to 400 Americans are kidnapped there every year, and those are only reported cases. The real number is higher. 3 rules if you travel to a high-risk zone. Don't signal wealth, don't leave secure routes, and make sure someone always knows where you are. The difference between a vacation story and a statistic is one wrong turn.